Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Kalista Amelia Agustin with student ID number 2024-3209 from class C. In this video, I will explain the result of my machine learning practicum, specifically about linear regression using Python. In this practicum, I created a model to analyze the relationship between operational hours and revenue. Simply put, I want to find out whether longer operational hours will increase revenue. Okay, for the first, I imported the Recurse library. I use NumPy for numerical data processing, Pandas to manage data in the table form, and Matplotlib for visualization. I also use linear regression from sklearn to build the model train test split to split the data, and evaluation metrics such as MSA, MAI, and R2. At this stage, the goal was to prepare all the tools needed for the machine learning process. Okay, next is the dataset. The dataset was created manually and consists of two variables: operational hours as the input, the revenue as the output. Then I convert to the data into a data frame to make it more organized and easier to process. From the data, it can be seen that operational hours increase, revenue also increases. This indicates a positive linear relationship. Okay, after that, I define variable x and y. X represent operational hours as the input variable, while Y represent revenue as the output variable. So basically, X is the influential factor and and Y is the result that will be predicted. Okay, then I split the data into training and testing data. 80% of the data was used for training and 20% was used for testing. The purpose of this step is to ensure that the model does not just memorize that data but can also be tested on new data. Okay, next is the model training process. I created a linear regression model using linear regression, then trained the model using the training data. At this stage, the model learns the relationship between operational hours and revenue and tries to find the best pattern from the data. After the model was trained, I performed prediction. The model was used to predict revenue based on the testing data. Then the predicted results were compared with the actual values and displayed in a table. From the result, it can be seen that the predicted values are very close to the actual values, which means the model performed well. Okay, next is visualization. I created a graph to visualize the relationship between the two variables. The blue dot represents the actual data, while the green line represents the regression line from the model. From the graph, it is clear that the relationship is positively linear, meaning that as operational hours increase, revenue also increases. Okay, then I evaluate the model. I use several metrics such as MSA, MAI, RMSI, and R2. The results show that the error values are very small, close to 0, and the R2 value is 1.0. This indicates that the model has a very high level of accuracy. Okay, finally, the last one at the intercept and coefficient. The coefficient value is 50, which means that every additional 1 hours of operation increases. This shows as a clear influence of the input variable on the output. In conclusion, the linear regression model I created is able to predict the relationship between operational hours and revenue very well.